Welcome back. If you're looking for fresh, unexpected ways to start the new year, you're in the right place. Dawn McCarthy, lifestyle advisor and trend expert, is here to share her favorite new finds for 2026. Dawn, you are always scouring the whole U.S. for the best products, and I love when you come and share them with us. What do we got for today?
Yeah, so I just got back from the Winter Fancy Food Fair in San Diego, which is actually going to be right here in San Diego next year.
In San Francisco?
Yes.
Okay,
yeah,
awesome.
right here in San Francisco, so you better come with me next year to try lots of stuff.
Oh, so fun.
But first up, I have Little Potatoes, and this is the littlepotatocompany.com, and this is the Little Yellows, and this is the Little Trios that I brought for you today. They have a whole bunch of different ones, but what's so nice is that they don't need to be pre-washed. There's no peeling. They can go in the microwave. They can go in the air fryer. Like, I'm a preheat specialist.
Yes.
You're a working woman here. You got to go home and make dinner for your hubby and stuff like that, but it's just a really good pop of flavor. I like how convenient they are. You can get these at stores nationwide.
Okay,
again,
this is how small they are. I just want to show.
Look how little they are.
So cute.
Yeah, they're so little. And this is from the Trio pack, which I really love. They're in the produce section nationwide. And again, they're just a great side dish. They're just quick and easy. We all work. We're all trying to run around. I love a good baked potato for something really savory and flavorful, but I don't like cutting them and doing all those other things. Again, I love them, the Little Potato Company. So I say check them out. Just grab them for dinner one night.
Yeah, that makes it really easy, the size, because they're that small, then they'll cook faster, so that means dinner on the table.
Are you barbecuing for Super Bowl?
Probably not.
You can probably put these even on a skewer. Just saying, you can probably throw those on a skewer.
Okay.
Now we went from savory to something sweet. So this is Romero Cookies, and it's romerocookies.com, because you can only get these online. So you've really got to check them out. So this is kind of maybe an ode to Bad Bunny, because this is Latina-owned. This is over 4 generations, and this is all about the Mexican wedding cookie.
Ooh.
I love that.
See, this is more my vibe for Super Bowl, Dawn. You know that I like the sweet.
I know you love the sweet. So this is kind of something you can bring to any celebration. Like I said, they've been around for over 4 generations of just family cooking. Each tin, like I said, Mexican wedding cookie is my favorite. I'd love for you to try one if you want. I don't know about your dress, though, in case it gets on it. They've got a churro. They've got a cinnamon pecan, because they do have a variety pack as well. But they're absolutely delicious. And right now for Valentine's Day and Super Bowl, they'll be doing some really good specials. So I really love that. And again, it's kind of Hispanic owned, so I say check them out. And especially if you love that flavorful kind of cookies, delicious.
Those are delicious, yeah.
Next is Umi.life. And again, this is another drink I picked up at the Fancy Food Fair. So it's a real kind of twist on matcha, because we know matcha to be really kind of grassy or milky. This is fruit twisted. This kind of has a fruit twist. So this one I'm going to give to you. What does that one say on it? What do you have?
This one says matcha passion fruit yuzu.
Yeah, yuzu. And I've got the matcha berry one in my hand, and they also got a lemon mint down there as well. And so this is kind of a real good twist.
Fruity.
But this is a functional beverage. So what it's also going to do is anybody that may have started out the year trying to watch their weight or do anything, kind of curb your appetite. It's functional, so it's going to give you clarity, a lot of focus to it. And it's got a proprietary blend of sea biotics in it. So it's really kind of just different and interesting. I love, you can get these at Amazon, Raylist, or again, you can get them on the Umi site themselves. But it's really good, isn't it?
It is. I keep sipping it. It's really light. So just like I said, matcha is usually kind of heavy. Could taste like a lawnmower. This one's fruity. It's refreshing and light.
And how many calories?
Ooh, 20. Ooh.
Yes, so this will help you too. So maybe if you've kind of started on a weight loss journey, it's the 20th, you've already fallen off the bandwagon. I say check them out. It's kind of a little twist, because I'm a huge matcha lover and I'm loving these. Next up, all my jerky lovers out there, I'm a potato chip girl. This is a marriage made in heaven. This is Brisket Chips Co. And they are actually based here in the San Francisco Bay Area. There were people, swarms of people at the booth at the Fancy Food Fair for this. So I'm going to have you try to, why don't you show how you can just crack that in half.
Okay, so this is like a beef jerky chip.
Exactly. This is a jerky game changer. It merges 2 of my favorite. It's got like a kind of a chip, and then they've got all different types of flavors. They've got mild, they've got spicy, and again, it's handmade, hand-packed, no co-packers. This has got a little bit more of a twist to it. This one right here, taste this one's got a little bit more of a little spice to a little bit of a spice to it in again. But they're right here. I love it. They're a family kind of owned business here. It redefines the jerky industry. It's not chewy. It's not a lot of times that people don't really
hard to
and they're really easy to get. And I guess again, like I said, they're at 20 premium Safeways here in the area too, in the Bay Area. But it delivers that bold flavor. It is a family business, and it is award winning. So they've never been seen on TV. And then lastly,
everyone is trying to get their protein in right now. We're upping the protein, so this is another good one.
Is that delicious?
Yeah, and it gives you that crunch. One of the things I think if you're trying to eat healthier, you miss those carbs, you miss those crunches, so that is a good crunch with some protein. Love that.
And lastly, this is Nuvo H2O, and this is for all my people that have dishwashers out there. So this is with CitraCharge. This is their dishwasher cleaner packs. And what I love about this, they're about don't replace your dishwasher, just basically restore it. So these little packs will work in conjunction with your pods that you already have. But this is going to take care of, because here in California, we have very hard water.
Yeah.
This is going to soften the water. It's going to make your dishes spotless, and you don't have to spend expensive. Believe it or not, those pods cost about 40 to 70 cents. This is going to take you down because you can just buy any pod to then clean it, because once you have the CitraCharge in your dishwasher, it's a game changer. So if you have an apartment or a condo and you're it's not working that well, this is a game changer, like I said, as well. It's really going to help restore that dishwasher, because you're going to have lots of dishes from the holidays that just passed, Super Bowl. I mean, we're all coming up here for a party at your house since it's local to the area. You're not really ready for it, but that's what we're going to do. Yeah, but like I said, it goes about from 5 to 7 times that you can use it in your dishwasher. And again, it's going to extend the use of it. It's a natural product, which I also really love.
You put this in with the dishwasher pod?
Yes, but you can now buy a cheaper dishwasher pod. You don't have to buy the expensive ones, because this is doing all the work. It's with citrus as well. So that's what I really love, but it's going to help soften that water, because you know, even as girls, when we have the hard water, it's not even good for our hair. This is a system that they have for our dishwasher, and again, just going to soften it up. And if you have got a rental or a condo or just even your house, your dishwasher's not working well, these will help you out. And again, these are at Amazon or Home Depot online.
Well, Dawn, these are all great finds. I'm going to cheers to you.
Cheers to the new year.
Cheers to the new year and all these amazing products that you are bringing us. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. If you want to learn more about Dawn McCarthy and all of her finds, all of her past segments are on our website. Head over to liveinthebay.tv.